Welcome to KRV Creations. National Symbols of Incredible India. National Flag Tiranga. Tiranga, also called tricolor, is the national flag of India. Has three colors: saffron at the top, which signifies sacrifice and patriotism. Middle is a white, stands for truth with Ashoka Chakra. In the middle of the white is a blue wheel. At the bottom, green for a life and prosperity. National Anthem Jana Gana Mana. Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem of India, composed by poet Rabindranath Tagore. The national anthem takes 52 seconds and was composed in Bengali language called Sadhu Bhasha. National Song Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is the national song of India, composed by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. The song has been translated into numerous Indian languages. National Currency Indian Rupee. Indian Rupee is the official currency of the Republic of India and controlled by the Reserve Bank of India. The new symbol was officially adopted in 2010 and started in circulation on 8 July 2011. National Emblem Ashoka Stambh. The national emblem of India is adopted from lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath. Features for Asiatic lions, emblem symbolizing power, courage, confidence, and at the bottom is a horse and bull with beautiful wheel, Dharma Chakra at the center. National Calendar Saka. Saka calendar or Indian National Calendar is the official calendar to use in India along with the Vikram Samvat. The Saka calendar follows the sign of the tropical zodiac. National River Ganga. Ganges River is the national river of India and the most sacred river to Hindus. The Ganges is also the longest river in India and home to endangered Ganges River dolphins. National Flower Lotus. Indian lotus is the most beautiful species of aquatic plant commonly cultivated in water gardens. This aquatic plant occupies a unique position in the art and mythology of ancient India. National Fruit Mango. Mango is the national fruit of India, cultivated mostly for edible fruit. India is home to more than 100 varieties of the mango fruits found in nature as well as in the wild forest. National Tree Banyan. Indian banyan is the national tree of India and native to the Indian subcontinent only. Banyan tree is among the largest tree in the world. Thimamma Marimanu, located in Andhra Pradesh, is the largest tree specimen in the world. National Animal Tiger. Royal Bengal tiger is the national animal of India and ranked among the biggest cats in the world. India is home to largest number of Bengal tigers and the estimated population of Bengal tiger in India increases to 3,890 individuals. National Bird Peacock. Indian peacock or Indian peafowl is the national bird of India, best known for long feathers and peacock dance before rain. The bird is found in the drier lowland areas and a resident breeder across the India subcontinent. National aquatic animal dolphin. The Ganges River dolphin has been declared as a national aquatic animal of India by the Indian government and also has been elected to be the city animal of the Guwahati. The South Asian river dolphin, primarily found in the Ganges, Yamuna, Chambal River, Brahmaputra River and their tributaries. National reptile King Cobra. King cobra is selected as the national reptile of India. The species is endemic to India and Southeast Asia. It is the sole member of its own genus and world's longest venomous snake with the maximum length of 18.8 feet. National motto Satyamev Jayate. Satyamev Jayate is a part of mantra from the Hindu scripture Mundaka Upanishad. Following the independence of India, it was adopted as the national motto of India on 26 January 1950, the day India became a republic. National airline Air India. Air India is the flag carrier airline of India headquartered at New Delhi. It is owned by Air India Limited, a government-owned enterprise, and operates a fleet of Airbus and Boeing aircraft serving 102 domestic and international destinations. National instrument Veena. Veena is the national instrument of India. Veena is the traditional South Indian string musical instrument. Veena is combined by three parts called as Gudam, Dandi and Yazi. National song Vande Mataram. National calendar Saka. National fruit Mango. National bird Peacock. National motto Satyamev Jayate. National flag Tiranga. National airline Air India. National anthem Jana Gana Mana. National emblem Asoka Stambh. National flower Lotus. National animal Tiger. National currency Indian rupee. National river Ganga. National tree Banyan. National aquatic animal Dolphin. National reptile Cobra. National instrument. Veena.
Please like, share and subscribe.